Just mix soap powder and salt. A rich woman taught me and surprised me with the result. To start today's tip, in a container, I will add 4 tablespoons of soap powder and then also 4 tablespoons of salt. The ideal next is to mix well. I'm sure you have never used these 2 items together for cleaning the toilet. To dilute, the ideal is also the use of 250 milliliters of water and then mix again until it has completely diluted. Next, we will also use alcohol, vinegar, and the optimal amount. For the mixture is only 3 tablespoons. You will be amazed at the effect of this mixture, removing all dirt and stains from the toilet. Finally, we will also use a tablespoon of furniture polish, being a great item for this mixture, directly creating a protective layer, thus preventing new stains and dirt in the toilet, always keeping the toilet fully clean. While keeping the use of this mixture, after mixing one last time, we will have the tip ready for use. To facilitate storage and also in the application, we will put the mixture fully in a bottle, avoiding waste. We will also use a funnel in the lid. It is also necessary to make a hole, making it easier to apply, and controlling the amount of use. Just this amount we prepare is enough for use for a week. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Helen, darling. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. I'm sure you will be impressed by the use of this tip, making it easier to clean and maintaining a pleasant aroma in your bathroom. For application, only a small amount is needed, and only using the brush, we can remove all the dirt. You will be amazed by the use of this mixture in your home being very simple and effective. Whenever I use in my home, I surprise the visitors by bringing cleaning easily. Tell me later if you got the result you wanted with the use of this mixture. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.